Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll cover a very simple but a very important interview question. So this is our input data frame as you can see. So we have item group column. So what we have to do is we simply have to group by the item group column. So here we have three categories: vegetables, dairy and fruit, and we want to get the item count. So vegetable is appearing how many times, dairy is appearing how many times, and fruits is appearing how many times. As simple as that. So let's quickly write the code for same. Here you can see that I've created the Spark session. I've imported all the functions. Here is the list of the data, and I've created the data frame passing the list of the data and the schema. Okay, I've created the schema over here. Let me quickly show you the data frame. So this is a data frame. Now what we are going to do is we are going to group by item group and count the number of items. So it's quite a simple one. So I'll say grouped df and df dot. We are going to make use of group by function, and here I'm going to pass the name of the column with which I want to group by. Simple. And then here I'm going to pass the aggregate, what aggregation I want to do. So I want to count. So this is done. Let me quickly show you the results. Okay, perfect. We have got the results. But if you see the output, here we are not expecting the column name as count. Rather, we want the column name as items count. So we are going to quickly rename the column. So I'll rename the column and show it to you. So we are going to make use of with column renamed. And here the column that I want to rename. So the column is count. And what's the new name? So new name is item count. Okay. And if you want to save it in another data frame, you can do it, but it's fine. I'll quickly show you the results. You can see that we have got the data frame with the new column name. Now, the next thing that we have to do is we have to get the count as well as the sum of the prices. Yeah, group by the items. So how we can do it? So we can use the AGG function of the group data class. So let's quickly do it. So I'll write df, maybe I'll just give it a name df1 equals to df dot. First, I have to group by item group. We are good with it. All right. Now we'll go for AGG. I want to perform multiple aggregation. The first one is count. I want to count df dot, let's say, I want to count df dot, let's say, item name. And then I also have to do the sum of the price. So df dot price. Looks good. Let me quickly show you the output. Okay, we have got the output. So whenever you want to do multiple aggregations, you can make use of this function. So it's pretty easy and straightforward as you can see. Now, if you want to rename the column, you can also rename the column. So these are returning the column. So all you have to do is you have to make use of alias and then give a name. For example, I'll give a name count, and here also I'll do the same alias, and I'll give the name, let's say total price. Okay, so we have got the columns with the new name. That's all for this video. Just remember that whenever you want to group by your data frame, you can make use of group by method of the data frame class, and then you can use any of the aggregation methods that we have like count, min, max, etc. of the group data class, as you can see over here. So thank you so much for watching. Meet you in the next video.